Imagine having an AI agent that can hack into any system. The field of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, and with the rise of AI, the stakes have never been higher. Recently, researchers have made a groundbreaking discovery that allows AI agents to exploit security vulnerabilities at an unprecedented scale. This breakthrough has significant implications for the future of cybersecurity, and in this video, we'll dive into the details. The idea of using AI to improve cybersecurity is not new. For years, researchers have been exploring ways to leverage machine learning algorithms to detect and respond to threats more efficiently. However, the latest advancements in AI have enabled the creation of more sophisticated agents that can not only detect vulnerabilities, but also exploit them. One of the most significant challenges in cybersecurity is the sheer volume of vulnerabilities that exist in modern software systems. With millions of lines of code and countless dependencies, it's nearly impossible for human security experts to identify and patch every vulnerability. This is where AI agents come in. They can process vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and learn from experience. The AI agent in question, developed by a team of researchers, uses a combination of machine learning algorithms and natural language processing to identify vulnerabilities in software systems. The agent is trained on a massive dataset of known vulnerabilities and can learn to recognize found this valuable. Smash the like button, drop a comment with your favorite AI tool, and hit subscribe for cutting-edge tech content.